Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. You all must be wondering that that I have taken the cards and kept today. I don't know why, I just felt I should pick out the cards and keep today. So I have picked out and kept. The first card which is coming is Justice card. Let's see, a beautiful card. The second card which has come is the High Priestess card. Lots of major arcanas coming your way today. And the third card is Four of Swords. So let's see. Let me just bring the cards down. It's the Justice, the High Priestess, and the Four of Swords. Now, coming to the card, the Justice card, I feel truth will be revealed to you today. But moreover, I feel you will be in balance. You will feel that things are going good. You might be able to handle your work and your personal life beautifully today. For some of you, I feel, I don't know, it's a very strong feel that some truth, some reality will come to you, but you will be able to handle that reality in a beautiful way and not get upset that this reality has come to you. You will be able to keep yourself balanced. Now, when that reality comes to you, because the second card which comes for me, I feel equally in that way, because the reality or whatever comes to you was a mystery which was hidden, which was something which was hidden for a long time, and this will actually help you to gain knowledge or gain insight of a situation which you were not understanding why it is happening, and now you will get more clarity and you will know that okay, whatever had happened actually for the best and had happened for your good, and this you will take it in a what do we say, in a very positive way, and also in a very light way, instead of getting upset over why this happened to me. This is what I feel, purely because I don't know, today I feel some reality is going to come. So the last card, the Four of Swords, basically is like you will come to know everything, and then you will decide, okay, fine, whatever it is, let me just give myself some time. So you will move away from the day to day. You will spend some time alone, and you will want to be alone, not be disturbed by anyone, because you will need time to understand what happened, what went wrong, and at the same time you will be able to come out of it and make yourself a better person for the next day, or be prepared, and you will end up smiling and feel happy that okay, it has come, and at least now I know what I need to do to go forward. So today I would suggest wear the color purple or violet. I don't know why I feel that the color violet is for you, because you need the divine blessings. At the same time, if possible, carry a black obsidian or a black tourmaline with you today. In the morning, if you have rose water or some milk, have a bath with little bit of milk in the water or rose water in your water, for the energies to get cleared from yourself, and also chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.